The only thing unique in this recipe is that all these medicinal plants are selected together according to the principle of yin and yang, hot and cold. All these plants combine and complement each other, so this mixture is good for treating many diseases, and at the same time it prolongs our life and keeps us young. Recipe. Tea requires 5 types of plants: chamomile, St. John's wort, immortelle, birch buds, and wild strawberry leaves. Take it. Of each listed plant 100 grams. Preparation. Take 2 tablespoons of this mixture and put it in a thermos. Pour half a liter of boiling water, cover and leave for 5 to 6 hours. Strain and drink 2 cups of this tea twice a day before meals. Drink this for 20 days.